Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got this 1964 Porsche 911. This casting is by Matchbox and part of their Moving Parts line. It's new for 2026, so let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the 1964 Porsche 911 out of its box. And the first thing I will say, this blue paint looks really good. I don't think I've ever seen these on the older Porsches, but it still looks good. Looks nice. Wheels we have seen on so many different Matchbox cars. They look really good on older cars. They look like steel wheels with hubcaps. Since we are on the driver's side, you can see there's no glass in the window, so you can see the interior, which is finished in, I think, cream kind of shade. It looks like that. Also, since it's a Porsche, you have got the fuel filler in the front because the engine is in the back. So coming to the front, you can again see there are a lot of good details: painted headlamps, painted turn indicators, silver painted bumpers, and fog lamps. So a lot of good details here. Looks really good. You also got windshield wipers. I don't know why they didn't do mirrors on this one. I'm not sure. There might be a reason for that. On the passenger side, looks almost identical. You don't have fuel filler. Looks like an antenna here. Also, it's a very classic, very typical Porsche 911, right? Old shape. It looks really good. Newer ones obviously more stylish, but I like this old shape. It looks really nice. And if you know, one of the USPs of 911 is that you actually have a seat in the back, apart from the two seats. So it's a four-seater. Now coming to the back, again good details here. You can see painted tail lamp, detailed bumper. You also got badges, a number plate, and even the grille on the rear is nicely painted and detailed. Looks really good. Being a moving part, it has this opening engine compartment, and actually there are a lot of good details there. It looks really good. And let me zoom in and show you. So you can see even the engine details are painted there, which is really good. I've seen Matchbox doing this with few of their recent castings, and it's a really great job, especially giving all the details on the engine. Now, one thing I noticed, I don't know if you did too, but there is something in the back seat, I guess. I can't really focus what it is. Maybe just a cutout for the wheel arch, I guess. Maybe. So overall, well, it's a really nice looking casting. Has got a lot of good details, and I think you won't be disappointed with this. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.